4 tablespoons of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of hair conditioner into the bowl. If it's too watery, add some cornstarch. If it's too dry, add some hair conditioner. When a dough is formed, take it out and knead with your hands. Knead until the dough does not stick to your hand. We are going to make 3-ingredient clay. The 3 ingredients are cornstarch, white glue, and cooking oil. You will also need a bowl and spoon for mixing. Add 6 tablespoons of cornstarch, 3 tablespoons of white glue into the bowl, and a dash of cooking oil. If it is too watery, add some cornstarch. If it is too dry, add some glue. When a dough is formed, take it out to knead it with your hands. Knead until the dough does not stick to your hand. Texture should be smooth and stretchy.